Subtraction with decimals. Let's take a look at this question. 104 7/10 minus 84 23/100. The first step is to line up the decimals when you're writing down a question. The second step is to pad with zeros as needed. As you can see, there is nothing to take the 3 away from. We can add a 0 to the end of the number. Step 3. Subtract, regrouping when needed. This is done just using the standard subtraction algorithm. So we can't take 3 away from 0, we need to borrow from the 7. We continue our subtraction as normal. We can't take 8 away from 0, so we borrow from the 1. Step 4. Include the decimal in the answer. When subtracting, the decimal is simply moved down and placed directly under where it is in the question. If you follow these steps when doing subtraction with decimals, you will have great success. Thanks for watching.